Egg fried rice does not have to be complicated, but it does have to be delicious. And it can also be made with fresh cooked rice. Welcome to Cooking with Chef Tuan, and today I have a really fun video. We're going to be making a very simple, quick, and delicious fried rice. Now I know everyone's been making a fried rice video lately, and everyone's got their own twist, putting a bunch of stuff in there, but I'm going to teach you one that's really quick, very simple, that even Uncle Roger will love. Alright guys, let's get started, but before we do, go ahead, click the like button, subscribe if you have not already. It will help this YouTube channel stay alive and appease the YouTube gods. Alright guys, thanks, let's get started. As usual, all the ingredients will be listed in the description box down below. Now we have about 3 cups of jasmine rice that we're going to cook. You have 2 eggs, some scallions, garlic, soy sauce, and fried shallots that you can find in the Asian grocery store. Now go ahead and slice your scallions really thin. I did save a little piece of the green part just so we can slice on an extreme bias for garnish at the end. And then now a very crucial part of making rice is we're going to wash our rice. Now all you have to do is just rinse it, run your fingers through it a couple times, and pour the water out and keep repeating yourself until the water is clear. And the perfect measurement for cooking jasmine rice is 1 knuckle. That's 1 knuckle from the top of the rice. And all you gotta do is just put it in your rice cooker, hit cook, and when it's done, you have perfect rice for fried rice. Now I'm gonna show you a way of cooking fried rice that does use freshly cooked rice. Now, the only difference between using day-old rice and freshly cooked rice is this fried rice using freshly cooked rice will be a lot lighter and fluffier. In this recipe and with this technique, I like to use 1 whole egg per 1 cup of cooked rice. Now all you have to do is just pour your beaten eggs into the rice and just mix it until all the rice kernels are covered with egg. The cooking process for the eggs has started the moment that we put it on this hot rice. So that means it's going to spend a lot less time in your pan or your wok. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of MSG to my rice and egg mixture and just continue to mix everything to make sure that it's all evenly incorporated. Now I'm going to let this sit for a bit while I get my wok nice and hot. Now if you don't have a wok, you should definitely go out and get one, but you can also use a non-stick pan, preferably one with high sides so that way you don't have rice flying everywhere. Now you can use any oil that you want. I'm using canola. I just suggest that you do not use sesame oil or olive oil when cooking fried rice because it will burn. Now this rice is really quick. First thing we gotta do is just add in our garlic. Just saute it for about 10-15 seconds, let it get nice and fragrant. Next step, we're gonna pour in our egg and rice mixture. And as you can see, it's a little bit dry just because all the rice has soaked up the liquids from the egg. And it's gonna take not very long. Probably I finished this once we started cooking in about 4 minutes. Now, if you were going to add more ingredients to this fried rice, as in like vegetables or proteins, you definitely want to cook them before you put the rice and egg mixture into the wok. But since we're keeping it nice and simple, we're going to go ahead and add in our soy sauce and go ahead and just toss everything and stir everything around to make sure that everything is evenly coated. And we are almost done. The only thing that we have to do now is we're going to go ahead and we're going to take our fried shallots that we got. We're going to add this in, and then we're going to take our scallions and add that too. And go ahead again, turn off the heat. This is a good time to turn off the wok and just stir everything and toss everything together and give everything a nice mix. And now it's time to plate. Now you can go ahead and just scoop this into a bowl and eat from the bowl. Or what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the bowl, pack it down nice and tight, and then flip it onto a plate. Oh, and also don't forget these nice crispy bits on the bottom. It's going to give you a nice textural contrast when you're going in and digging into your fried rice. I want to take a quick moment to thank my friend Danielle for sending me this beautiful plate from Steelite. I will have all of her information and her company website in the description box down below so you can see all the nice dinnerware and stuff that they have available. A little sliced scallion and done. Now you saw how quick and easy that is. Guys, the true test is in the taste test. All right, so let's just, oh, you see all this steam coming out? Nice and hot. You go, guys. This is a drier fried rice. I don't like greasy fried rice or stuff that's like got too much sauce in it. I just want like the egg, the rice should be the star, and then, you know, we have the fried shallots, the scallions, the garlic. You can smell all that good stuff right here. I just wanted to show you a quick and simple, kind of like a baseline fried rice. You know, this is kind of like Chinese mixed with Southeast Asian with the fried shallots and such. Guys, thank you so much. Go ahead, if you haven't, click the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, keep this channel alive, appease the YouTube gods. Take care of yourselves, and as always, peace.